Hi friend, this is Dr. Apurv Mehra and let's talk about a very wonderful thing that I learned from a video on internet. And the video said the importance of each team member in a team. So the speaker says that he spoke to a guy who was serving coffee. So he asked him that, can I have a coffee? And the coffee was served to him hot along with the sugar sachets and with a smile. So he asked that, are you always so happy? He said yes. So he said, why? So he said, because in my entire team, we have 4 individuals who work on this counter. We have a senior manager and 2 guys who sell the things. The senior manager will come and talk to all 3 of us. Do you need help? Is there anything we can do to make you more comfortable? Or do you want to take a break? And so is the manager and so is the other salesperson. So basically all 4, there is a division of labor, but will create positivity around each other. And that is why we are selling the most number of coffees in this entire food court. Because we are happy. Every day, we create positivity. This is the significance of a good environment. And then the speaker asks, do you work somewhere else? He said, yes, sir. I also work at a nearby palace. And he was asked, what's your role there? He said, my role is to solve the queries. And he said, how do you feel there? So the same person who was at the coffee counter said, I just wish that I complete my hours so that I get my paycheck. I just wish, because there I am given targets and I have to work on the targets. If I work on the targets and the targets go well, I am appreciated. But if for any reason I am short of the targets, the behavior is not that good and there is no help whatsoever. The same person at the coffee counter is happy and the same person in the palace is not happy. And the difference is in the team and the surrounding members. So the moral of the story is, there is no bad worker. There are bad leaders. And if the leaders, that is each team member is a leader, respect each other, value each other, appreciate each other, it doesn't mean that you don't teach each other. You must teach. Show them the positive aspect. But then, if you do that, then the full form of a team is together everyone achieves more, called as a team. And this is what I want to convey, that team building is the most crucial thing of any organization. If you have a good team, there is no limit whatsoever to your growth. So value everybody in your team, then only your organization can be complete. And that concludes this talk by the lines by Henry Ford. Take away my empire. Take away my money. Take away my property. Leave my team. I will rebuild everything in 6 years. Thank you very much.